Hey everyone, my name is Nick, and in my new YouTube video I would like to show you how to install Zangi on your device. It doesn't matter what device you have, Android or iOS. So first of all, let's open up App Store or Play Store, tap on it, and now let's tap on the search box and enter Zangi. Click on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom right corner, and in the first place we can see the necessary application, Zangi Private Messenger. And now to download it, just tap on install. Okay, and wait a bit. So here you can read about the advantages of this private messenger. And by the way, we already can open this application. So tap on open. And once you have downloaded the application, you can sign in or sign up. So to sign up, tap on register, and to sign in, click on sign in. So that's how you can easily install the Zangi application on your device. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave your comment. I'll read it for sure. Thank you so much, bye bye.